What's good, y'all? BCC the Villain back with another unboxing. I ain't finna hold y'all up, so without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so it turns out I don't even need a knife because I'm guessing Nike's using these new boxes, recyclable boxes, I'm guessing. Help us by recycling this box. Okay, yeah. So I think you just rip the top like this. Rip the top like this. Take this off, peel this out. Peel this off. Oh, okay, so I can probably just reuse this if I want to ship some shoes out. Well, as you guys can probably see by the box, I hit on a pair of Off-White Dunks. All right, so let's get into the box. You see this Off-White style box where it's just like just holes all over the place and a little scribbled on Nike swoosh. I kind of like it. I mean, it's pretty creative, really. Nike Sportwear, season code, TC code, style number, all this stuff. More holes, I would assume. Oh, just spoiled it, sorry. More holes, it's like Swiss cheese. Let's get into the size. Nike Dunk Low, Sail Neutral Gray, Battle Blue, 8.5. Suggested retail, 180. Yeah, I didn't hit on my size, sadly. I hit on an 8.5, so like, I'm probably just gonna have to resell them. I can't fit no 8.5, but all right, let's take the lid off. As you can see, we have this off-white paper and yellow. Nice touch, nice touch. Peel this back. And there's another layer of paper, peel that back. Let's try not to rip this, but then these are small. Yeah, we have the lot 10 of 50 Off-White Dunks. I like these. I like these. I wish I would have hit on my size. I'd have kept them, but yeah, they feel soft and plush and all this stuff. All right, let me take the second pair out, second shoe out. All right, so again, here we have the Nike Off-White Dunk Low. Lot 10 out of 50. 360 view real quick. And let's get into a little bit of the review. All right, let's start from the top. You have the exposed foam and a nylon tongue. It's in yellow, got a hole in it. Coming down, you have the white laces, and then you have the blue rope overlacing system they have. Come down, you have a white nylon toe and a gray toe cap. Swoop around the side. You have a gray overlay all over. The leather itself is pretty soft, I'd say. I think they did a pretty good job on these, really. So you come across and you have the code says FA 21 565 9470 with green tag. And then again, for the third time, you have 10 out of 50. Come around to the back, got Nike in black. Wraps around, it's gray with the white nylon again, gray swoosh. And then it says Off-White for Nike, whatever that says. Beaverton, Oregon, USA, 1985. Got a white midsole. It was more of a sail color, really. And the outsole is also gray. And then you go inside, you have a white inner lining, leather. And then you have a yellow insole. You have the Nike, you have the little Off-White tag that comes with the little mini tag. And you have the bigger tag. Come across, it says Off-White lot 10 out of 50. Take these out. I think it comes with extra laces, if I'm not mistaken. If it doesn't, then it's cool. I'm not keeping these anyway. It looks like it doesn't, but you know, inside has that face and it has the hand. So yeah. I just want to thank you guys for tuning in into this little Off-White Dunk. Lot number 10 out of 50. I will catch you guys on the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And you know, once again, appreciate you guys for watching. And I'm out. Peace.